Rickard Charleson with Galati Yacht Sales, and I'm a sales professional here in Tampa, St. Petersburg, Florida. So I grew up in a small coastal town in Sweden, very similar to Newport, Rhode Island. As a young boy, I was down the marina every day, checking inventory, what boat was there and what boats have left. And my parents realized very early that there was nothing else than boats in my life. So I was very fortunate. At the age of 7, they gifted me a small center console. And I used that boat every day after school, on the weekends, and summer breaks, all the time. And given Sweden has a very short summer season, my boat was pretty much the first one in as soon as the ice broke, and the last one out before Christmas. At the age of 13 or 14, I joined the Swedish Sea Rescue. I accumulated a lot of knowledge in advanced firefighting, medical, search and rescue. I got my captain's license at 16. I was actually the youngest captain in Swedish history then, and I had a 200-ton commercial license. I had some engineering degrees. I did this parallel to my regular school. And at the age of 18, I was done with school. I moved down to the Mediterranean, where I was a delivery captain for about 7 or 8 years, and I ran any brand there was out there. So that was very important. And I cruised around between Spain, France, Italy, Morocco, Monaco, Portugal. But just the knowledge accumulated by running different boats was very valuable. Those experiences equipped me for a lifelong career with boating. And then back in 2006, I came here to the US and I became Yachts corporate captain. So I delivered all their boats around the world. I trained all their crew, very involved in the development of the new LSX 75 and the 92, which then became the 95. In parallel with that, I also helped out with customer support. I was in charge of our fleet that was under warranty, and managed all those boats. I specialize in motor yachts, given my background in the Mediterranean and also here in the US with yachts. Anything between 30 to 130 feet is right in my wheelhouse. And given my technical background, I feel like I can be a great resource to my customers before buying the boat, during inspection, and of course after. I came to Galati in 2013. We share the same vision. We're always trying to exceed the customer's expectation. Our relationship is just starting the day you buy the boat or sell the boat. I think one of the most important aspects is actually after the sale has happened. There's so much to a boat, so many different systems. There's so many things that the customer may not know about this particular boat, and my phone is on 24/7. My customer can call me from anything on how to start the TV, or they had an unfortunate mechanical failure, or they want to plan the next trip to the Bahamas. Whatever it is, my phone is on 24/7. Thank you, and if I can ever be of assistance, please feel free to call me. Again, I'm Rickard with Galati Yacht Sales.